Remember hide and seek? We're using that idea to spot division problems. Like this one. Suppose your little sister, who is a good girl, wants to share 6 apples with you. How many will each of you get? Before we can solve this type of question, it shouldn't surprise you that the word division doesn't always appear in most division problems. So, what's the best strategy? Don't worry, it turns out there are clues hidden in every problem that help us decide whether it's a division or an addition question. Here they are, so you can memorize them. If we read our problem carefully, we can see that the word share is a big clue telling us to divide. Oh, and speaking about division, just remember that simple division can be done mentally, but for more complex ones, you'll need to use long division to get proper answers. So if we go ahead, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. That means your little sister will get 3 apples, and you'll have the same. Now, do you know how farmers love growing fruits? Let's imagine a friendly farmer who just picked 12 lemons from his tree. He wants to pack them into boxes, and each box should have 3 lemons inside. So, how many boxes will he need? Wait before we solve it. Notice something important. The word each in this question is another big clue. It tells us we're dividing. Now here's a question that always pops up. How do we know which number to divide by which? That's a smart question, because unlike multiplication, division does not have the commutative property. That means 12 divided by 3 is not the same as 3 divided by 12. So, how can we tell which number comes first? Here's the secret. The total always comes first, and the number of groups or sharers comes second. Let's look carefully at our story. The farmer has 12 lemons, that's the total he picked, and he wants to pack them into boxes with 3 lemons in each box. That's the group size. So when we set up our division, we always divide the total by the group size. Or what we call the divisor sounds good, right? That means we do 12 divided by 3, which equal 4. So the farmer will fill 4 boxes. Now check this out. Your sister, who's a big fan of carrots, has 12 carrots in her basket. She wants to make some soup today and save the rest for tomorrow. But she wants to keep it fair and balanced, the same amount for each day. So, how many carrots should she use each day? Let's think this through. She has 12 carrots in total, and she wants to split them evenly between 2 days, today and tomorrow. That means we're dividing 12 by 2. If we share 12 equally between 2 days, each day will get 6 carrots. So she'll cook 6 carrots today and save 6 carrots for tomorrow. That gives me an idea. Suppose your kind mom, who loves to cook every day, just picked 8 bright, juicy tomatoes from her garden. She plans to make a tasty stew today and another delicious stew tomorrow. But she wants each meal to have the same number of tomatoes, so both days taste just as good. So, how many should she use each day to keep it fair and balanced? Let's think about it carefully. We take the total 8 tomatoes and divide them by 2 days. If we share 8 equally between 2 days, each day gets 4 tomatoes. So Mum will use 4 tomatoes today and 4 tomatoes tomorrow. No leftovers, no confusion, just perfect balance and a happy kitchen. And that's it. Just remember, don't get distracted by long sentences. Instead, search for keywords like share, each, or equal. Then identify your dividend, the total, and your divisor, the number of groups. Once you spot those, you'll always know exactly what to divide and how. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing, because math gets easier every time you understand the story behind the numbers.